Hey, you. Yeah, you. The person who clicked this video instead of doing the one thing that you were supposed to do today. Don't worry, I'm the same way sometimes. I'm in bed, horizontal, achieving nothing but watching TikToks and Instagram Reels I completely forget about 60 seconds later. So let's talk about some ways that we can actually stop doing it before our lives completely fall apart. You know, fun stuff, right? But first, let's discuss why we do this in the first place. So, why do we procrastinate? Is it that the task at hand feels too big? Is it that we're scared we'll do them wrong? Do we not know where to start? Or do we just not feel like it? That last one hits home for me a little bit too close. Our brain sees a big task and goes, nope, absolutely not. So we avoid it, which makes the task at hand feel even bigger, which makes us avoid it more. And congratulations, you've just discovered the procrastination loop. But you might already know that, as you may be pushing away that task right now by watching this video. Now, let's talk about the real dangers of procrastination, because it's much more than simply missing deadlines. The biggest ways it will negatively impact you will be shown in your everyday life. Stress piles up, sleep disappears, confidence drops, and suddenly you're questioning your entire existence at 2 a.m. and wishing that you did something you were supposed to do today, but you didn't. Procrastination steals your free time, kills creativity, and makes simple things feel impossible. Okay, I know. You came here to solve the problem, not relive the life you're living now. So, how do we actually stop procrastinating? Let's talk solutions. Here are strategies that actually work. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it! Do it immediately. Reply to that text. Put that dish in the sink. Throw that dirty ass underwear laying next to your laundry bin in the laundry bin. Small actions build momentum, and momentum kills procrastination. Next, let's make tasks stupidly small. Break down your tasks until they look so easy it's almost embarrassing. If your task is start project, your brain panics, but if you break it down to write one sentence, your brain says, oh yeah, I can do that. Or if you prefer, you can try the 5-minute deal. Tell yourself you'll work on something for just 5 minutes. 5 minutes! You can do that. It doesn't require motivation, only micro commitment. 99% of the time, once you start, you will keep going because stopping just feels weird. Have you ever heard of Isaac Newton's first law of motion? In simple wording, an object in motion will continue to move unless an external force acts upon it, which brings us to our next point. Remove the landmines. Your environment matters. If your phone is next to you, face up, with notifications on, you're not working. You're hoping that you'll work between dopamine hits. So turn on Do Not Disturb, move your phone away, or put it in another room and close the door like your mama just grounded it. Let's take it to the next level and make procrastination inconvenient. If scrolling your favorite brain rot is too easy, you'll do it. Your brain is lazy, so use that against it. Log out, move the app, or even delete it if you can. Even if you re-download it, you will at least be forcing yourself to make a conscious decision to waste your own time. But wait, how do we reinforce this behavior? We reward ourselves properly. Ideally, some sort of healthy reward like a nutritious snack or power nap. But if you need to bribe yourself with a scroll break or a salty snack, I won't be the one to tell you that it's wrong. Just make sure the reward is fitting to your achievement. Procrastination doesn't mean you're broken. It means you're human. Every single one of us fights the same battle, even the people who look productive online. But if you take small steps, break tasks down, and make starting easier, you can turn your brain from being a professional avoider into a hey, look at me, I'm actually doing stuff. So hey, if you watch this video instead of doing something, at least you learned how to stop procrastinating. That counts as productivity, I guess. Kinda. Alright, guys, go do that thing that you've been putting off for way too long now. But wait 1 second. If you want to be proactive, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn post notifications on. It means a lot to me. I'll be covering more topics like this that will benefit your everyday life. So I hope you gain something from it, genuinely. Okay, now go do that thing.